So it was my birthday last week and I got these two juicy little creative gems books. Stranger Than Kindness by Nick Cave, which is just like full of inspiration. It's like a real insight into the creative process, but full of old snippets of notebooks and journals, old lyrics and old Polaroids, that kind of thing. Sort of thing, you're not going to sit down and read them beginning or end in one sitting, but anytime you're a little bit short of inspiration, pull it off the shelf, open it to any page and it'll be like a little bit of springboard in terms of inspiration, as these books tend to be. And then I also got the collected works of Jim Morrison, which is again full of poems, lyrics, pretty much anything that he ever put to paper is in here. Again, just like juicy stuff. I'll put a link to both books in the show notes. Okay, so my last video was the street photographer and the many saints in Newark. It's a bit cheeky, lifting the title off of the film that I saw on that day, which is Sopranos prequel. But I've just been sent Spotify playlist for the soundtrack, which is I'll put a link to it in the show notes. I reckon you'll love it. Right, here we go with the Birdman. Now I literally am snatching at this footage. It's just my iPhone that I had in my pocket. Hurried downstairs. Basically, I wasn't even going to come down. I thought, but I saw the guy out the window and I thought, wow, it's too good to be true. You got to be in it to win it, right? So I hurried down. It's literally cobbled together, this, on a smartphone. Got a couple of decent clicks, I think.